Morning guys, it's been windy and rainy all night, just been buffeting past the car here. I want to turn the car so it's facing into the wind so I can set the awning up out the back again so then the rain's not coming in sideways. Right, got the rain jacket on, got the Crocs on. It's time to go. I set up this tarp here. I managed to get it set up just to try to keep the wind out because it was blowing slightly in that way. I'm not a huge fan of it. I don't like how much strain it could be putting on the awning, which is why I did have it secured up here. But it seems to be putting a lot of strain on the awning bar, and it's not the strongest, so I don't want to put too much pressure on it. Rain's coming down now. I'm getting a slight sprinkling in through here. I did rig this up. I decided to try and it's putting some strain on it, but hopefully it'll be alright. There might be a slight sprinkling coming through here, but it doesn't seem too bad. As long as it's not wetting my beard, I'm not too worried. But yeah, the rain is coming down. The tarp's working alright. There is a little bit of water getting in. I have to keep wiping it away, but there's not a whole lot I can do about that because I only have a couple of tie-out points on the tarp and the rain kind of gets in the gaps. But it's better than nothing. It's doing a better job. I'm glad I did move my car around this way. Takes a bit of strain off the awning as well. Yeah, it's gonna be a interesting day. Got the extra solar panel set up. Just runs up through the window here, and it's charging this little battery. Rain's kicking up again. Woo! It's coming in through here, man. The wind's just not making this good. Look, it's just coming off. Mate. At this point, it's not even dry under here. The rain's just kicking up through everywhere because of the wind. My mattress is getting damp. Alright, it's a good thing I've got so many tarps. What I've done is I've jammed one up in this gap here. because what was happening was the wind comes this way. It's all well and good, the car's blocking it, but it's just whipping straight through here and just misting all down here. So yeah, hopefully the wind won't blow that out. It's kind of just jammed under there, and we'll see how that works. Fingers crossed. Might go for a walk on the beach, see if anything strikes my fancy. Nice day. Fucking lovely. Alright, so got this piece of tortilla that was lying on the beach, and also this cut log which will make a nice base on the floor here. This is also on the beach. So what I want to do is, so I've got my solo stove. Now there's plenty of dead twigs on the beach and dead trees, and with heaps of dead little twigs and stuff, but because it's been absolutely pissing down, they're just going to be soaked. So the plan is not to jab a hole in my awning. That would help. The plan is, careful now, to saw this up into little manageable pieces, split it all down, and use the middle of the wood, the inside wood that's hopefully dry, or it will be a lot drier than those twigs, to light and maintain my solo stove. So just doing a little mini split with fire. Alright, so I've got a bunch of these smaller chunks of wood, perfect for the solo stove. You can see it's wet around there and then dry in the middle. So we should be good. Alright, so I got the solo stove with our shavings, and I've just got my chopping board propped up here because that's where the wind's coming from, under the car there. So chopping board for wind block, solo stove. Alright, so I got the solar stove cranking, got a cup of water on the boil, and yeah, it's just quite nice, just chilling here, a little solar stove cracking away. And because I am extremely original, noodles for lunch. Gotta say though, the solar stove took a lot longer than normal. Don't know if it was because of the slightly damp wood, but I wouldn't think so. I've used worse than that before. I think it was mostly the wind. Wind really messed with it. The wind kind of circles in here and just goes all over the place. So it took quite some time. A lot of fiddling about, and let's pick up my rubbish. But noodles. Rain's died down a lot, it's still windy, but yeah, not as much rain. Okay, so I think I'm going to go for a walk up to Viewpoint. There probably won't be much of a view up there right now. I have already been up there, and it's pretty nice when it's a nice day. But yeah, I'll just go for a walk. I'll go along the road here and go up, and yeah, give me something to do, help pass the time. Not too bad, even for a crappy day. Not too shabby. I think it's time to get out of it. Got a bit wet up there. As soon as I was up there, the rain just came down and I bailed. I just came back down. Yeah, there was a good view, got a nice view, and then the rain came and it was just, nah, we'll come back down here. Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower because I could do with warming up, and then we're getting the wood fire pizza oven going because it's pizza for dinner. Looking forward to it. That pizza was really flipping good. Took a good couple hours to burn the pizza oven down to suitable coals, but man, it was worth it. Oh. Rain and wind have both died down a bit, but it's supposed to be raining again tomorrow, so we'll just see in the morning, I guess. Anyway, I'll see you then. Good night. Morning, guys. Oh, it's done on breakfast. Well, sandflies are out again today. It's always nice. Okay, so what I'm going to need is a cooking setup I haven't used for actually quite a while. Or a cooking container, I should say. Alright, this. It's a German Army cook kit. It's got like a little frying pan, a dish inside, and then a big container. Alright, so the reason I'm using this morning is because I need this ability here to be able to sit something inside of here. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this up with water, and then this is going to go in here, eggs are going to go in here, and then lid's going to go on. The water is going to boil, it's going to steam cook the eggs, and we're going to get perfectly yummy eggs. Trust me, it's good. Now this can be a little bit of a mission at times. There we go. The last 2 eggs. I'm just going to throw a little bit of marge in the bottom over here to stop the eggs sticking. Okay, so this is just the water. I'll get it heated up and then we'll check the eggs and alright, let's get these eggs on. Yeah. Alright, eggs are starting to look pretty good. Okay, eggs are almost done, and I've just got the lid on the spaghetti, keeping it hot. Right, calling these bad boys done. Let's turn the gas off. Alright, eggs. Nice thing about this egg cooking is it also gives me hot water for a drink. Ooh, buddy. And spaghetti. Look at that. That is going to be a good breakfast. Cheers, guys. I love my eggs. It's my favourite way of cooking them. But I can't say I've done it for a while. Oh, not a chance, buddy. Not a chance. Well, guys. Just finishing my cup of coffee here. And then it's time for this video to end. Thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Had a great time. It's always a different challenge being in the rain and wind, especially the wind. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.